Now I would like Seema Di to introduce herself.
Okay. Hello everyone. I am Seema Manzuri and I'm currently pursuing my company secretary course along with BCom. That's it.
Okay. So my first question is, what is the most cherished moment of your life? Means you don't want
I
to
don't
forget that.
think there's one moment. Repeat your question, Ayush.
The moment you do not want to forget in your life.
Oh. I do not want to forget.
Yes.
It's the best moment of my life, right?
मतलब best. जो नहीं भूलना चाहिए वो बेस्ट ही.
I don't think कि कोई एक ऐसा मोमेंट है. हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ होता है लाइफ. बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स है जो हैप्पी है जिससे मैं
बेतला ट्रिप सीमा.
नेटवर्क इशू है क्या?
What would be your perfect day?
परफेक्ट डे ऑफ माय लाइफ वो हर दिन जो मैं अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड और फैमिली के साथ सेलिब्रेट करूं.
Who was the last person who made you cry and why?
Tough one. I will not say name. It was a person I cannot say I hate that person, but I really don't like that person. And so रिप्लिका ने पूछा कि मैं ये कह रही थी कि एज अ टीनेजर्स हम अपनी लाइफ में तभी कोई चीज कह सकते हैं गलत है सही है जब हमने उस चीज को एक्सपीरियंस किया हो या उसके बारे में जाना हो. तो मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी कि हमें कुछ अवॉइड करना चाहिए. देखो हम टीनेज ऐसा एज है जब हम एक स्टेज पे आ जाते हैं जब हमें पता होता है कि क्या सही है हमारे लिए क्या गलत है. और अगर हमें पता नहीं होता तो हमें वो चीज एक्सपीरियंस करके पता चलता है. तो मैं नहीं कहूंगी कि हमें कोई भी चीज अवॉइड करनी चाहिए. अगर मुझे लगता है कि ये चीज सही है मुझे इसमें जाना चाहिए तो मुझे वो चीज ट्राई करके देखनी चाहिए कि वो मेरे लिए सही है या नहीं है. तो हमें खुद पता चल जाता है.
I agree with you. So Ayush, carry on.
If you could be an animal for a week, what could you be and why?
Animal. I would like to be a rabbit. I like rabbits.
No, you are scared of rabbit.
I am scared.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
But I like them. Okay, they are cute. भले मुझे डर तो सबसे लगता है. मुझे टच करने में डर लगता है, but I really like them. They are so cute.
Rabbit को टच करने में कैसे डर लगता है भाई?
मुझे लगता है.
She's the one. She's the one.
They're very soft.
Okay, so this question is, imagine if you have only one day left to live. Do not take it. Imagine only.
Okay.
What would you do the whole day? You
I'm
know that
spend
you have
my
only
day.
one day to.
ओके तो मैं अपना दिन उन लोगों के साथ बिताऊंगी ना जिनसे मैं प्यार करती हूँ और जो मुझसे प्यार करते हैं. So my family and my best friend and my friends, some of my friends.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
So now it's time for rapid fire. Adi, what is your biggest addiction?
Addiction. There's nothing I am addicted to. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं किसी चीज से एडिक्टेड हूँ. मैं कंट्रोल कर लेती हूँ हर चीज जो मुझे पता है मेरे लिए सही नहीं. आई एम नॉट एडिक्टेड टू एनीथिंग.
If you win 10 crore, what is your first thing would you do?
10 crore rupees. Okay. I will buy a home.
Which is the last dial number on your phone?
Nancy's number.
Why?
She's my best friend. And मैंने अभी से कॉल किया था मीटिंग के लिए पूछने के लिए ना सेशन रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए.
So choose between any two. Two.
Okay.
Summer or winter?
Winters.
Why?
मुझे पसंद है विंटर्स. मुझे विंटर्स में सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा सोना लगता है. I like winters.
PC or
क्या?
laptop? PC or laptop?
Laptop.
Chocolate or vanilla?
Vanilla.
iPhone or Android?
Android.
Now I hand over to Ritika ji.
Okay, so I will give you some words of songs in English और आपको बताना है कौन सा song है. Okay.
Okay.
So, reside in my heart forever. Now, may my breathing are connected to you.
Repeat again, Ripika.
Okay. Reside in my heart forever. Now, may my breathing are connected to you.
I don't know. I'll pass.
Pass. Okay.
Okay.
The helpless heart of mine is stuck in the friend zone.
दिल बेचारा फ्रेंड जोन का हमारा.
Correct. So next, I wonder how innocent she was when I saw how she transformed herself in no tune.
She transformed herself.
With no tune.
जब मैंने उसे देखा, जब मैंने उसे देखा कितनी मासूम थी. रुको. I don't know. I'll pass.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Vibhuti Pandey. But currently, I am pursuing my graduation. I'm in second year political science honors from Delhi University. I completed my 10th and 12th from MKD Public School, Daltonganj. That's it.
So yeah, where do you hope to be 5 years from now? Or 10 years?
Sitting on a chair of an IAS officer.
Wow. When was the moment in your life you laughed the hardest?
Okay, when I laughed the hardest, a tough question, because I used to laugh always, not loudly, but I smile always. So you can say loudly. I don't know. I don't remember because I smile usually.
Out of your all family members, who are you closest to?
Okay, I'm closest to my mother.
Are out of your family members?
Okay, out of my family members, I am closest to Nandini ma'am.
Why?
My question to you is, if you get a chance to be a prime minister for a day, what would be the first thing you would do?
Okay, the first thing I would do is, if possible, I will bring a bill to remove the caste system in India. If possible, I don't know it will be possible or not. And second thing is, I will try to improve the education system because the education system, we have got the new education policy, but it hasn't been implemented. And what I feel, it is not going to be implemented as well. So policies are there, but I think I will try to implement.
Okay, my question, which moment you want to forget in your life and why?
I don't want to forget any moment because life is like a film. So if you delete any scene from the film, it will be incomplete. So let it be as it is.
Okay, if you could go back at any age, what would it be?
Of course, class 11th, 12th.
Right?
Last person to whom you scolded.
What?
Last person to whom you scolded.
Last person whom I scolded. I don't remember.
मतलब बहुत याद है.
Last person whom I scolded, I feel it was Ayush, I think.
जो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है भाई.
कब?
याद नहीं, जब भैया घर गया था तो.
अच्छा, तो मेरे लिए कॉमन है, हम खाते रहते हैं, याद भी नहीं रहता.
Okay, what career advice would you pass to the juniors who are having career dilemmas in their 11th or 12th class? Like,
see, I think you should go for something which is satisfactory. Means जब तक job satisfaction नहीं होगा, until unless you have job satisfaction, even if you are earning lakhs and crores of rupees, it's not going to satisfy you. So वो काम करो जो तुमको satisfy करता है. That is the most important thing. जिसमें satisfaction मिले वो काम करना चाहिए.
okay, who has influenced you the most?
Society.
How?
I feel there are various things in the society which teach me a lot, which inspire me a lot. There are a lot of evils which inspire me to change them. There are a lot of good things which inspire me to do better. So I think society has influenced me the most.
भैया नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, यूपीएससी क्लियर कर लिया तो आप किस स्टेट को प्रेफर करोगे कि मैं वहां जाके वर्क करूं?
Of course, I will prefer Jharkhand. And the reason being that it's my home state, first of all, and second, I feel Jharkhand is lagging behind in many areas. So if I can contribute even a single bit of it, it will be a great pleasure for me.
Okay.
भैया नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, if you were famous, what would be you famous for?
I think I will be famous for my speaking skills.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. That was great.
One thing most people don't know about you.
Okay, people don't know about me. I think they know everything, but
कुछ
I feel
होगा.
ये बहुत दिमाग का कितना बस है, कितना बहुत सही है, बहुत
okay,
सही है.
two things. I think people don't know. No, I'm not a good singer at all. I think दो चीजें लोगों को नहीं पता है. पहली चीज,
good dancer also. क्या replica?
डांसर बहुत सही है, डांस करके दिखा.
First, let him complete.
इंटरव्यू में
हाँ भैया बहुत अच्छा डांस करते हैं.
उनका इंटरव्यू होने दो.
दो चीजें जो लोग मेरे बारे में नहीं जानते हैं. First thing, I'm very emotional, and I think nobody knows it. And the second is,
सब जानते हैं.
हम भी जानते हैं.
इसकी मैं
फिर ये ओपन सीक्रेट हो गया. Okay, and second thing which I think people don't know is that people have always viewed me as a studious student, but I'm not only studious. I enjoy a lot.
इसकी एक मैं स्टोरी बताती हूँ.
Only in class 10th you enjoy a lot.
No, I have
Not in
class 11th and 12th as well. Even before that.
Who is your favorite teacher and why?
Nandini ma'am.
She's my favorite teacher and why? Of course, Nandini ma'am. And why? Because she's not the only teacher for me. She's a friend. She's mother. Means like a best friend. I can talk. I can share anything to her. She is the comfort zone where I feel okay. I'm able to share everything. That's why.
Who is your favorite junior student? And
Horse.
मेरा नाम
हर्ष का नाम मत लेना. हर्ष का नाम
वही क्वेश्चन पूछा है किसके लिए?
Let him answer ना. उससे पूछ के कोई उसे आंसर ही नहीं करने दे रहा है.
A tough question which I would not like to answer.
सर नहीं आंसर करना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
अच्छा विभूति भी आपको डांस पसंद है ना?
नहीं इसका आंसर पहले ले लो तो.
My favorite junior is Anushka from class 5. I think season 5 now. Yes, okay.
Safe zone.
बहुत दिमाग का तेज है.
सेफ खेल गया.
हाँ दिमाग का बहुत तेज है.
what did you dream about last night?
I dreamt of fighting with someone, but I don't recognize whom I was fighting with.
पक्का हर्ष होगा.
पिटाने वाला काम तो करता ही है.
कौन बोला?
Now let's play the rapid fire round.
Okay.
Which celebrity annoys you the most and why?
Which celebrity annoys me the most? I think who annoys me the most? I don't think any celebrity annoys.
Rapid fire.
I don't think any celebrity annoys me.
Okay, tell us your nickname that annoys you.
Huddy.
I have that too. I have got that nickname. Would you rather work? 8 hours
Bhargoti.
standing. Would you rather
Let-
work 8 hours standing or 10 hours sitting?
10 hours sitting.
Simplify yourself in 2 words.
Vibhuti Pandey.
In your vision, how would you look like while dancing?
I haven't danced till now, and I won't even try
करते
to
हो,
imagine
झूठ नहीं
myself.
बोलो यार, करते हो.
It
झूठ
would
नहीं
be
बोलो, नहीं
the
नहीं,
worst
गलत है.
thing of my life.
अकेले में
ये
करता है
गलत.
What is the meanest thing you have said someone?
Okay.
Yeah, that's someone.
He never
Let
used
me-
to say.
Give me some time.
Rapid fire.
विकास
Even
भाई
I-
इसका आंसर तुम नहीं कर रही हो.
Meanest thing I've said to someone. I don't think I even. I don't think I have said anything mean to anyone.
Your biggest addiction?
My biggest addiction, following my schedule.
Okay, if you will go for a shopping, what are the for free? What are the 5 things you would buy first in 2 minutes?
First cricket kit. Second, a lot of books. Third, a lot of eating materials. It can be anything. Fourth,
life.
fourth a T-shirt, and fifth a photo frame.
Great. Which is the last dial number on your phone?
Hers.
हर जगह हर्ष
हर जगह
Okay,
मतलब
choose
बहुत
between the
ज्यादा है.
two. Comedy movie,
और हर्ष ही हर्ष
comedy or horror?
Comedy.
Milk or juice?
Juice.
Shinchan or Doraemon?
Doraemon.
डोरेमोन.
Emiway or Badshah?
बादशाह.
What?
Good.
Emiway or
Can you
Badshah?
repeat, please?
Emiway but
Badshah.
बादशाह.
Badshah. Mercedes or Lamborghini?
I don't have any idea, but Mercedes.
Wow.
आइडिया नहीं.
PC or laptop?
Laptop.
Tea or coffee?
टी.
अरे निकाल अलग अलग साथ में दे रहे
Dairy Milk or Kit Kat?
डेयरी मिल्क
डेरी मिल्क. पता है मुझको.
पूरा साथ
किसी को नहीं
साथ.
देता है
BJP or Congress?
None of the above.
बीजेपी.
भैया को
Then, what do you prefer?
What?
Since not the BJP, then not Congress, then whom do you admire as a political party?
It depends upon the situation. I'm not. I do not favor any party. So it depends upon the situation on which the voting is going on.
Google Meet or Zoom?
June.
भैया online classes or offline classes?
ऑफलाइन.
It depends. If it is school, then offline. If it's college, then online.
School life or college life?
School life. Of course.
Obvious है.
It was great talking to you, Bhaiya.
Thank you.